Hi, this is Jay Guinan from TechRep. We're a Milestone Systems value-added distributor. Today we're going to show you a product from a third-party partner of Milestone called Vega Systems. They have brought out a utility that could be used directly in Milestone's VMS platform called Xport. What Xport is going to allow you to do is that it will allow you to migrate not the same SLCs into a consistent SLC. Meaning, if I have a corporate SLC over here on one side and I have another corporate SLC and I want them to be one SLC, I can now combine them using this tool in an automatic fashion. No more manually having to reinstall a complete amount of cameras from one location to another. I don't lose any more of my video data. All of this now can be done directly through the Xport utility. So let's take a peek at what that looks like.
Hello everyone. This is Grace from Vega Systems. I am excited to show you our latest offering, Xport. Xport makes content portability easy at Xprotect deployments. If you have ever had to port Xprotect from an end-of-life deployment to a newer deployment, you will know that the process involves several steps. The database needs to be backed up and restored at the new hardware. Server references must be accurately updated in the database, configuration XML files must be modified, and several other tasks must be manually performed. Of course, live and archive databases must be copied over as well, requires considerable expertise, and mistakes can easily be made. Our new offering, Xport, makes this process easier and more flexible. Xport is natively integrated into the Milestone Management Client. To begin the content porting process with Xport, log into the two sites and...
So essentially, once you log into your management client, you're going to have the MIP plugin called Xport, and now is where you begin your configuration to set up the Xport functions up. You're going to have the destination site, which is the new SLC location, and you'll have your secondary management sites, which are basically the management servers that you're going to port into the new destination site. Okay?
Set porting parameters. Set up correspondence between recorders at the old site and the new site.
Here's another flavor. We don't have to send everything from one site to a new site. So if you have a customer that says, hey, I want to move a bank of recorders or a bank of cameras from one site to another site, I can do that as well. I don't have to do the whole SLC. I can do parts of this SLC and leave the existing SLC intact.
Correspondence can be symmetric or asymmetric. Pick devices to port to the new site. Choose properties to port. You can choose hardware, camera, speaker, and other properties at a granular level. Set up porting of device groups, roles, and smart client views.
Yeah, that part there was really a critical step, right? In a lot of cases, we can easily enough, do a manual configuration and add the new devices to the new SLC. But bringing on all of the user roles, all of the names and functions, all of the scheduling and configurations, all of that would have to be done manually. And this is something that now can be done utilizing the tool. All of that can be done on the fly. The other real value here is that, I don't know about you, but when I'm tasked with trying to do a migration, I basically tell the customer, all of your video data in the old unit is going to be gone, and we're going to start with a fresh video data in the new unit. Well, I don't have to do that anymore with this tool. With this tool, all of the live and archive video data will be ported seamlessly, and so there should be no video loss in the migration.
Kick off the porting process. The process runs unsupervised and is completed with the set parameters. Xport can port content between different versions of the same product flavor and compatible content between different product flavors. Check with us for compatibility. It can also be used for workflows where multiple sites must be amalgamated into fewer sites or vice versa.
So this gives you a very brief overview of how powerful the Vega Xport tool is going to be. It'll cut hours of your time out of your deployment structure when you have to do these types of migrations. The cost is very low. Um, and essentially, we are the distributor for that technology. So, if you have any other further questions, please contact us directly at the information you see on the screen. And I thank you for watching.